Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring what many consider the best queen-size platform bed frame with storage. The Kujielan 12 inches queen-size bed frame with a minimalist headboard and strong metal platform base. If you're looking for a bed frame that combines style, functionality, and durability, this might just be the perfect fit for your bedroom. The Kujielan bed frame stands out with its elegant and minimalist design. Its sleek and modern look features clean lines that blend effortlessly into various bedroom aesthetics, whether your space is minimalist, contemporary, or classic. The black powder-coated finish adds a subtle sophistication that complements almost any decor style. Beyond its looks, this bed frame is built for strength and stability. Crafted from reinforced steel, it offers a sturdy foundation designed to support heavy weights. The robust construction ensures that whether you're sleeping, sitting, or moving around on the bed, you'll experience excellent stability and peace of mind. One of the most practical features is the metal slatted base that eliminates the need for a box spring. The slats are carefully spaced to prevent mattress sagging while also allowing proper airflow. This ventilation helps prolong the life of your mattress and enhances your overall sleeping comfort. For those who value smart storage solutions, this frame offers generous clearance underneath, providing ample space for storing bins, boxes, or other belongings. This extra room is ideal for maximizing bedroom space and keeping things organized and clutter-free. Assembly is straightforward and designed with the user in mind. The package includes pre-labeled parts and clear step-by-step instructions, requiring minimal tools and effort to put it all together. This means you can have your bed ready in no time without frustration or delays. In terms of dimensions, the frame measures 82.05 inches long, 59.49 inches wide, and 39.69 inches high, making it a perfect fit for standard queen mattresses. Despite its sturdy build, the frame is relatively lightweight at 37.7 pounds, making it manageable during setup or rearrangement. Overall, the Kujielan queen-size platform bed frame strikes a great balance between style, durability, and practicality. Its squeak-resistant design, powder-coated finish, and strong metal slats make it a reliable choice for anyone looking to upgrade their bedroom furniture. If you want a bed frame that offers great support, easy assembly, and smart under-bed storage, this option from Kujielan should definitely be on your shortlist. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product insights.